Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with FlutterFlow for generating real mobile UIs step by. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for FlutterFlow. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with options to sign up using Google or email. If you choose Google, click on the Google icon. Select the Google account you wish to use for registration. If you prefer email registration, click on the option for email. Fill in the required fields such as your name, email address, and password. Ensure that your password is strong and secure. After filling out the form, read and agree to the terms of service. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from FlutterFlow. Open the verification email and click on the link provided. This will redirect you back to the FlutterFlow site. Once verified, log in to your new account using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. You are now ready to start generating real mobile UIs with FlutterFlow. Begin by selecting any available templates or starting a new project. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your first user interface. Celebrate your successful registration and the start of your FlutterFlow journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.